What is management accounting? Managerial accounting, also called management accounting. It is a method of accounting that creates statements, reports, and documents that help management in making better decisions related to their business performance. Managerial accounting is primarily used for internal purposes. Importance of managerial accounting. The main objective of managerial accounting is to assist the management of a company in efficiently performing its functions: planning, organizing, directing, and controlling. Management accounting helps with these functions. 1. Provides data. It serves as a vital source of data for planning. The historical data captured by managerial accounting shows the growth of the business, which is useful in forecasting. 2. Analyzes data. The accounting data is presented in a meaningful way by calculating ratios and projecting trends. This information is then analyzed for planning and decision-making. For example, you can categorize purchase of different items period-wise, supplier-wise, and territory-wise. 3. Aids meaningful discussions. Management accounting can be used as a means of communicating a course of action throughout the organization. In the initial stages, it depicts the organizational feasibility and consistency of various segments of a plan. Later, it tells about the progress of the plans and the roles of different parties to implement it. 4. Helps in achieving goals. It helps convert organizational strategies and objectives into feasible business goals. These goals can be achieved by imposing budget control and standard costing, which are integral parts of management accounting. 5. Uses qualitative information. Management accounting does not restrict itself to quantitative information for decision-making. It takes into account qualitative information which cannot be measured in terms of money. Industry cycles, strength of research and development are some of the examples qualitative information that a business can collect using special surveys. Thanks for watching.